Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, I've been busy working behind the scenes, and I want to share a little bit of something I've been working on. I'm not really ready to let the cat out of the bag yet, but I saw a couple of interesting trades today in SPX specifically that I want to share with you. So let me grab this from here, and we're going to look at the top one and the bottom one. So in SPX this morning, and this was like 6 minutes and 44 seconds after the open, somebody came in and they sold 514 of the 0 day to expiration 525, or excuse me, not 520, 5200, 5205 call credit spreads for 30 cents. And of course, if you were paying attention to SPX, that ended up working out like a gosh darn charm. And that trader ended up doing pretty well. If you take 30 times 114, I mean, that's a $15,000 trade right there. Now, the next one, a couple of these, this is a butterfly, which is basically a trader cleaning up his positions. This is a 1 penny put spread trader cleaning up his positions. So, but here's a real trade, I think. 809 of the SPX 0 day to expiration 50-50, 51-10 put credit spreads traded at 20 cents, and we closed above there. That ended up being in the money. And there's a couple of really key takeaways from this. The first thing is that these really slow days can end up being really fruitful when you trade them correctly. And if we're just looking at, on Monday I said this is likely to be sort of a slow week where we don't have a lot of fundamental news coming out or anything. We're probably going to trade technically. We don't expect a lot of volatility. Well, this is one of the ways to take advantage of that. This is not something that I expect to continue going on for weeks and weeks, because we're going to get some news next week. So we have to kind of play it one day at a time. And this is a pretty clever way to do it with some of these 0 day to expiration options. And it's not something that I'm coming up with. It's something that's kind of tried and true. As you can see, there are a lot of traders, both professional and retail, doing it in size every single day. Now, this is something that I'm going to be talking about at our summit in June in Sonoma County, California. That's our annual in-person event, and this is the last one that we're ever doing. So if you ever thought about joining us in person, please DM me personally or John Kamisic in the Slack room, or email us, or you can just go to markettaker.com/summit and grab yourself a ticket, because we'd love to see you, and you would definitely love to hear a lot more about this in our in-person workshops, and that's just one of them. So anyway, I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.